Good morning, everyone. I'm Gayan Kim, the lecturer of this class. First of all, thank you for your attention to this class. This is the video of introduction of my class. I finished my master degree in International Korean Studies in 2015. I have done all my coursework of PhD in Korean History in 2018 at the Academy of Korean Study in Korea. Since then, I introduced myself as a freelance researcher in the field of Korean history, Japanese history, imperial historiography, Korean culture study, and the ancient relationship between Korea and Japan. I have given lectures about the history education of Japan at Dongguk University in Korea and imperial historiography at Charles University in the Czech Republic. I was researching imperial historiography as visiting scholar at Gokogakuin universities in Japan and also at Leiden University in Netherlands recently. And I also published 2 articles about imperial historiography. I will give a lecture to share general information of Korea and Korean study with some media references. In the first week, we will rethink of Korea and its reputation during the lectures. Also, I will teach you how to say hello, thank you, sorry, and also a short introduction in Korean. So, you can speak basic Koreans after this class. In the second and third weeks, we will focus on Korean history. We will find Korean cultural heritage during this class, such as Hwarang, 거북선, 의병, and Miracle on the Han River from the TV show and films. You can easily find its trailer on the YouTube and also its information in the Internet Movie Database. In fourth week, Korean people protest to impeach President Park, and eventually she was impeached in 2017. We will briefly see the democratic movement in Korean history from 1960 to 2020s. From that, we can finally understand the character of Korean politics. In fifth weeks, Korea is well known as one of the safest countries in the world and have a pretty nice welfare system for its people. However, there are many controversial issues about equalities between gender. To understand this situation, we will present Career Interrupts Woman. In Korean, we called 경력 단절 여성 as an important issue these days in Korea. I know some students have had huge expectation of this final class because it is about K-pop. K-pop groups have also been giving a tremendous impact positively and negatively on the young generation in the world. Also, of course, this industry has been impacting Korean culture. We can find some social issues caused by K-pop culture. I'm always welcomed and open to your opinions and your question too. So please don't hesitate to sending emails for that during the course. I hope to see you soon in the class. Bye. 안녕.